Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. You're watching WION World is One with me, Diksha Bisla. Let's start this bulletin by quickly taking a look at the headlines. Israel's rescue services say at least 23 people were hurt after Iran launched 2 waves of missiles. Sirens rang across the country after the Israeli army reported the incoming missiles. Loud explosions were heard in Tel Aviv, Jerusalem and Haifa. Reports say that Israeli air defense interceptor may have malfunctioned and crashed in Haifa amid Iran's latest missile attack. "290 Indian nationals have returned home safely from Iran on a special flight from Mashhad that landed in New Delhi. At least 1,117 Indian nationals have been evacuated from Iran since the outbreak of the current conflict. India's National Investigation Agency has arrested 2 people for harboring Pakistanis accused of carrying out the Pahalgam terror attack. The 2 men, Parvez Ahmad Jothar from Badkot in Pahalgam and Bashir Ahmad Jothar of Hill Park in Pahalgam, have disclosed the identities of the 3 armed terrorists involved in the attack.